Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dzul Idham, presenting from Group 3, Section 4, Lab EE Lab 2, which is in this activity we must do the Lab 6, which is required to do the three-phase AC circuit. Okay. In activity 1, we must develop the star-connected source with star-connected R-load circuit. So this is the star-connected source and this is star-connected R-load. So for the theory, which is the volt from R to Y is 45 times square root 3 because of volt AB, which is the line voltage, which is VA times square root 3. Okay, there's the theory. So to find the VAB, it must bigger than the voltage. So maybe 45 and above. VRY with 45 and above. Okay, let's do. Okay, for the first one, we put the 45 volt in RMS, and then we use the 100 ohm frequency 50 Hz. This is the power meter, which is power 1, power 2 total, which is the power. The total power is power 1 plus power 2. This is the voltage and voltmeter, which presenting the voltage line voltage from R to Y. So this is the ammeter, represent the IRN, which is IRN point R point N, and then this is the voltmeter presenting the VRY point R and VRN point R to N. So for the to calculate the power in watt, we just do the change to the unit for the wattmeter, and that's all. Let's do it. Okay, this is the result, which is the VRN is referred to the supply volt. VRY is bigger than VRN, which is times square root 3 to the voltage source, and the VRN is the IL, which is the VRN divided by the total resistance, which is the 100 ohms, and P watts actually is the P1 plus P2, and Q var is 0 because there's no theta, which is the theta 0, so Q equal to 0, sin 0 equal to 0, Q equal to 0, so there's no Q var. Okay, that's all. Okay, we go to the activity 2, which is the circuit is connected by the star source and the delta R load actually, which is in the theory VAB equal to VA times square root 3. So VAB is much bigger than VA because times square root 3. So the difference from the activity 1, which is this is the star, this is the delta load. So and it required to measure the VRY, which is from R to L, voltage from R to Y, which is this line voltage, and IRR, which is this is the line current R to R, this is R, and IRY, which is this is the phase current, which is this R, this is the point Y, and power meter also. Actually that's all. That's different because this is the phase current. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is the result for the activity 2, which is we can identify the VRY, which is this is a bigger from the voltage volt, and IR to R, which is the line current, is this, and IRY, IRR, which is this, IRY, which is this is the IRY, which is the VRY divided by the total current, which is the total resistance, which is 100 ohm, and we get the 0.79 P. There's the PV I cos theta, and the Q bar VI sin theta, which is why there's the 0 because of the same on activity 1, which is there's no theta because we use the resistor, so sin 0 equal to 0, and VI times 0, which is Q in var is 0. So that's all. Okay, and now we go to the activity 3, which is the last activity. The activity needs to use the star connected source and the star connected load, which is we use the R and L load, which is the resistor and the inductor. So we develop the same theory, which is VRY equal to 45 times square root 3. So the VRY is much bigger than 45 voltage source. So they require same like the activity 1, VRN, VRY, the IRN. This is the power in white. Later we can change the unit to var, and we can get the Q value, and that's all. So we set the 100 ohm resistance, and the 12.5 mAh. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is the result for activity 3, which is there's the same until P with activity 1, which is the VRN is referred to VR and referred to the touch volt in theory, which is this R to N equal to R to N, so 45 volt. So VRY, which is much bigger to voltage source, which is times square root 3, we get this bigger value. IRN, which is the VRN divided by Z phase, P1 P2 total, and Q val, which is there's different from activity 1 because there have the inductor, which is referred to the imaginary side, which is have the data. So later we discuss about the analysis. Okay, that's all.